In the last class we discussed about radial flow. In this class we are going to discuss about cylindrical flow of heat. So I want to give a small correction to the last video. H is equal to, we got 4 pi k by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 into T2 minus T1. So this T2 minus T1 outside temperature, T2 inside temperature is T1. Basically this value, if you do, will get negative. To substitute, we can keep a minus sign here because heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. So to avoid minus sign, I forgot to keep the minus sign here. You can add in your notes. Minus sign should be to avoid just the direction minus sign. So, and it indicates the direction of heat flow. Cylindrical flow. See in this section, this sides and so circular sections are insulated. Matlab there is no heat transfer from those sections. The transfer of heat is happening from the surface, outer surface. In this case, how to find a heat transfer? H is equal to Ka into dt by dx. So radially it is going outwards. So if we make a diagram out of it, if you make a diagram, so radius, I am taking an inside, I'm sorry, I will make again. And yeah, so this is like a cylindrical part, a part of this from everywhere. It's not a sphere, understand? It's not a sphere. From cylindrical section, a small section I am going to take from here to there. All the surface, throughout the surface. Okay, to make it more perfect, this is actually cylindrical surface. From the center, the temperature is say T1. Outside the temperature is T2. The heat is flowing radially outwards. From where? Everywhere. Okay, uniformly it is trying to go all the directions and inside, outside, everywhere. So to solve this, first we should consider a similar cross section like our whole body. I am taking a cross section which is like a cylindrical, and it has a radius of r and a small thickness dr. So radius h is equal to Ka. Area becomes what? Small r, radius r, 2 pi r into total length is L. 2 pi r L into dt by, so minus sign I can keep here, minus dt by, because temperature goes from high temperature to low temperature. Dt means final temperature, outside temperature, T2 minus T1 will come. So by dr. So to simplify this, if we simplify, dr by r is equal to minus 2 pi L K by h into dt. Integrations on the both sides, from where to where? R1 to R2. So ln R2 by R1 is equal to minus 2 pi KL into D2 T2 minus T1 by h. The h will be is equal to T1 minus T2 2 pi L into K by ln R2 by R1. This is the value of heat transfer which is cylindrically flowing out. Cylindrically, like all the cylindrical surface, it's going out. Thank you.